The Google Pixel 6a was meant to be a more affordable Pixel smartphone, and while it offered quality cameras, it also fell a bit short when compared to similarly priced Android phones in terms of performance. Even its design didn't quite match the $43,999 launch price in India. With the new and improved Pixel 7a, Google claims to have taken care of the Pixel 6a's shortcomings. There are improved cameras, a premium design, and an updated processor. So let's take a closer look at what's new. But before we go ahead, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. Now that we have had a look at what comes in the box, let's dive deeper into what's new about the Pixel 7a. The new Pixel 7a retains the IP67 rating of the Pixel 6a, but gets a more premium looking design which appears very similar to the more expensive Pixel 7 models. This is a step up from the rather budget-centric in-hand feel of the Pixel 6a. The Pixel 7a's display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, but the rear panels above and below the camera band are still made of plastic. You now get a metal band holding the rear cameras in place, which blends into the mid-frame on the sides, which is also metal. The Pixel 7a is available in 3 finishes: charcoal, snow, and sea. We received a unit in the snow finish for review. Apart from the new cosmetic design, the display also gets an upgrade. The Pixel 7a finally gets a 90Hz refresh rate display, which is the first for the Pixel A series device. The high refresh rate on the 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display sure makes the Android 13 software interface feel fluid, and should also come in handy when playing games. A big upgrade for the Pixel 7a comes in the form of its processor, which has now been upgraded to the Tensor G2. This SoC is also found in the more premium Pixel 7 and 7 Pro smartphones, and also brings with it some new camera tricks such as photo unblur, faster night sight, and long exposure mode, which was not possible on the Pixel 6a. The Pixel 7a finally gets 8GB of RAM, a first for a Pixel A series smartphone. There's a single variant on offer in India with 128GB of storage. Google has added new cameras in the Pixel 7a, some of which appear to be more capable than even the Pixel 7's cameras. There's a 64MP primary camera with OIS and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. The selfie camera has also been upgraded to a 13MP camera. The Google Pixel 7a still does not come with a charger in the box. The Pixel 6a's 4410 mAh battery has been replaced with a smaller 4385 mAh battery, which is a bit worrisome keeping in mind the display's higher refresh rate. But you do get wireless charging, which is another first for an A series phone. With so many big upgrades over the Pixel 6a, the Pixel 7a sure seems to have leveled up with the competition, at least in terms of features. Stay tuned to our detailed review coming soon on Gadget360.com.